Do you want to block the country on your Facebook page? You can restrict specific countries on your page with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to block countries on your Facebook page. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Blocking a country on a Facebook page involves restricting access to the page's content from users located in specific geographic regions. This feature is used by page administrators to control the visibility of their content based on the country of the viewer. If you're facing excessive spam comments from users in a particular country, you can restrict them to specific regions due to legal or cultural reasons. To block countries on Facebook page, first, open your Facebook account on your mobile device. Go to the business page you want to block a specific country. Once you are on the Facebook page newsfeed, tap on the three horizontal lines along with the profile image at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. If you are using an iPhone, it is in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy to expand the menu, then tap on Settings. Under the Page section, tap on Page Settings. Scroll down to find Public Posts and tap on it. Scroll down to the Restrictions section. Tap on Country Restrictions to block specific countries on the Facebook business page. Tap on Restriction Type. You'll see two options: Show only to certain countries or Hide from certain countries. Choose Hide from certain countries. After selecting Hide from certain countries, go back to the previous screen and tap on Countries. Search for and select the countries you want to block or restrict from accessing your page. Once you've added all the countries you want to block, tap the back icon to save changes and apply the restrictions. By following these simple steps, you can effectively block access to your Facebook page from specific countries. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.